airbrushed on the side.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's kind of coming down.
We can always put it back.
Yeah, airbrush would be good.
Hey, just airbrush it, Danny.
Yeah, it really needs to be airbrushed.
Yeah, you get one of those, you can get Decals bait that you can, or magnetic one.
Magnetic one, yeah.
You can peel off and you don't want them on. Yeah.
Paint the whole van.
Yeah. Nice pickle green.
Yeah, pickle green, Danny. Paint the van.
See, man, that's what I should have got, is a green one.
Yeah,
A green van.
I
Yeah,
never
that's
thought
good.
of that one out.
Perfect.
And paint all the little dimples like are on pickles.
Hello.
Like that's on
Hi,
pickles.
you sounded great.
Okay, I gotta go
Thanks. How did Rob sound?
Yeah,
Pretty good?
Oh, yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool with the wireless, using the wireless stuff.
Yeah, man.
It
Yeah.
looked
You
like
really
you
get
guys
into
were
the
having a lot
audience
of
and
fun,
stuff.
eh?
These are the most fun ones.
Yeah. Oh,
Fuck
yeah.
yeah, man.
And it sounded really good. Like it was so clear.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, the sound was
Wow.
great.
Good
No, it really
PA
was
gear
great.
and good gear.
It was great.
Lots of bass too, eh?
Yeah, but it wasn't. Everything was balanced.
The whole
nothing
or the,
It wasn't too loud.
when he hit his low E string, like when
Yeah.
he was on Highway to Hell, the whole floor just shaking. Eh, Pat? Fuck, it was like
Well, it was-
boom,
The bass was a little woofy out front, but it wasn't
like
too
a
bad.
bomb going on. Boom. Yeah, really.
And,
It's
fun.
Yeah, man. Apparently these guys are a really good band, and yeah, man, it's with the guy that is the sound system guy. Is Ben. Yeah, man. There was wrestling.
Yeah, that's
Did you see that?
No, we got here right at
I
7.
got here right when you
Right when you
Oh wow, man, was it ever cool? And I think they're gonna start again. See that dude with the cape? He's one of them. There was like the best, well for me anyway.